one man with his Fisher CZ21 in hand, waiting for low tide to unleash his fury.
Hey guys, got some bling.
There you go.
Yeah. I don't know if it's real. I don't think it is. Well, it's golden color, but I don't see any markings. It is dark out here though, so we'll get a better look later.
Being that this was the first time out with my CZ21, I was so obsessed with all the settings. And my gut kept getting in the way too.
It's got a buck. CZ21, baby. Well, you guys just missed the fireworks. Very cool, but you're in time to see the watch there. Doesn't look like anything special. Oh, just dug another bracelet. Hopefully this one we can tell. I don't know. Can't tell anything. Looks good in the dark under an LED light, but that doesn't mean much. We'll have to wait till we get in. I'm hoping, man. That'd be a lot of gold, 2 of those. Huh. I don't know how that got locked around my scoop like that, but
This is when I made the fateful decision to hold the cam in my mouth. Doo-doo-doo. I was crunching sand for the rest of the night.
yeah, probably junk. Just got this. Looks like a little owl. Come on. It's not silver. Looks like a ring, guys. I don't see any markings though.
Precious!
Oh, we'll check it out later. Nice. Alright. It's got that chain. It looks good in the dark with an LED light. We'll have to wait to get it home. Check it out. Alright everyone, there are the finds. I did end up with gold. That ring right there is a 14 karat ring. Nice and chunky. It's a heavy one too. So I did get gold. Those two bracelets are more copper. I'm not sure about
Unfortunately, the necklace wasn't gold. I held it up to a magnet, and the magnet sucked this thing up faster than the Las Vegas workers can suck a golf ball through a garden hose.
I'm psyched. It's midnight, and oh, there are my coins. It's midnight, and I'm gonna go to bed. Talk to you later. Bye.